Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Bay Urban Center in St. Thomas. Now guys, look at this magnificent structure, this complex. Can you believe the Goodyear factory was here? It was empty for over a decade, just an old dilapidated factory. And look at what is here today. This is what you call a game changer for St. Thomas. We're going to show you the entire facility. Straight ahead, that is the new courthouse. That is probably the nicest courthouse in Jamaica. Beside it to the left is the passport office. Now, this facility is not open to the public yet, but the different entities are building out their stores or offices. Now, straight ahead, that is those two buildings you see at the bottom of the screen. One is a Juicy Patties, and the other one I think is a Burger King. They're fast food stores. And then to the back, that's where you're going to have like a mall with a lot of different entities. But I'm really impressed. This is a kind of structure you would find in a first world country. Have to say, job well done by the government and China Harbour Engineering Company. And that building we're looking at is actually named after national hero Paul Bogle. And the highway that takes you here is also named the Paul Bogle Highway. So that's very good that they are naming these structures after Jamaicans. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this structure. Now, the only other structure I can think of in Jamaica as nice as this is Fairview in Montego Bay. Very nice facility down there. We'll actually give you a drone tour of that facility very soon. But guys, let us know what you think. Can you think of any facility or complex nicer than this one in Jamaica? Leave your comments in the section below. The parish of St. Thomas has long been viewed as one of Jamaica's most underdeveloped regions, despite its rich history and cultural legacy. For decades, residents had to travel outside the parish to access many government services, modern business amenities, and major commercial offerings. The opening of the Morant Bay Urban Center marks a turning point in the parish's trajectory, signaling both economic renewal and social transformation. The Morant Bay Urban Center was conceived as part of the national effort to decentralize government services and stimulate regional development. Built on the site of the former Goodyear factory, which once stood as a symbol of industrial employment in the parish, the project reclaims a space tied to both prosperity and decline in St. Thomas's history. By reimagining this 28-acre property into a mixed-use hub, the government and the Factories Corporation of Jamaica have provided a new focal point for growth, jobs, and investment. At over 436,000 square feet, the complex integrates government offices, retail outlets, financial institutions, and private enterprises. More than 50 public sector entities are expected to operate from the center, including the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, Hard Trust NTA, National Housing Trust, the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, among others. For residents, this means that critical services once available only in Kingston or other parishes are now closer to home. Private commerce is also central to the project. The establishment of restaurants, banks, and major franchises, including the parish's first KFC, is designed to anchor customer traffic while boosting employment. Plans for Phase 2 include a medical complex and additional space for small and medium-sized enterprises through a dedicated micro-business park, further diversifying the range of opportunities. The urban center represents a $6 billion investment in the parish, both financially and symbolically. The project has already created construction jobs and promises to sustain long-term employment across multiple sectors. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think of this facility. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.